Am I audible? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Online, can you hear me, ma? Morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Let me start what we have discussed. Yesterday, we discussed a concept called where get const. To the people who forgot, I will just repeat it one more time. In JavaScript, we just started JavaScript, ma. In JavaScript, we had simple, small introduction of JavaScript. Now, JavaScript primarily used in browsers. JavaScript runs in the browser, every browser have one engine for the JavaScript, JS engine. And for Google Chrome, we have a JS engine called V8. What is the JS engine for Google Chrome? V8. And if someone asks you a question, JavaScript programming language or scripting language, both. Difference is scripting languages runs it line by line. Next, JavaScript uses JIT, just-in-time compiler, and the JavaScript started in 1995, December 4th, by Brendan Eich. And initially, what is the first name of JavaScript, ma? LiveScript. What is the first name of JavaScript? You all remembered, sir, yesterday class? Okay, try to remember the classes. Yesterday, we discussed this, I think. What is the initial name of JavaScript, ma? LiveScript. Online people also please participate. Later, they changed it to JavaScript. Why? Because Java is so popular at that time. To get the attention, they used it. Then which organization, which specification standard took the Java, sir? ECMAScript. What is that? ECMAScript. This ECMAScript will decide the rules and all for the JavaScript. We have different versions. Actually, recent version is ES14. What is the recent version? In this course, we will discuss one of the game changer called ES6. That is very important one. Anyway, JavaScript can be introduced in how many ways? JavaScript can be included to HTML in how many ways, ma? How many ways? Two ways. What are they? Internal JavaScript, external JavaScript. Internal JavaScript means you will write the script like this. And inside that you will write. External JavaScript means you will write a script tag and you will give src and some path. src and some. JavaScript is case sensitive. True or false? True. JavaScript is case sensitive. Second, when you write the JavaScript code, it is recommended to write at the end of the body. See, sir, if I write it anywhere else, will it run or not? It will run. For your small programs, nothing will happen only. But for a larger programs, it is a good practice to write at last because of performance issues. I told you also what will happen. Next. In JavaScript, we will write something called console. Is console part of the JavaScript? Understand the question, anyone? Is console part of the JavaScript? Yes or no? Is console is part of the JavaScript, sir? Hey. Console is part of the browser. Console is part of the. People will think that console is one of the concept in JavaScript. No. Console is something browser will give for debug. For debugging purpose, we will use console, and that is part of the browser. Browser will give you 8 tools. They call it as developer tools. What are they called, ma? What are they called? Developer tools. And in that, console is also one. Next, in JavaScript, we can give comments such as single line comments or double line comments. If we are writing single line comments, you will put // If you are writing double line comment, you will write /* and ends with */. Any doubt, sir? Till now, anyone have any doubts? No. Next, we can declare the variables in 3 ways. How many ways? 3 ways. We can declare the variable using var, let, const. We can declare the variables using var, let, const. What is the difference, sir? If you see, yesterday I showed you this program. In this, if I write something like var, where I am declaring, sir, you are declaring something inside this. Right or not? Something inside you are declaring now. But can you access it outside, sir? Can you access outside? Yes or no? Yes. Because var is a function scoped variable. Var is a, you can use it inside the function. But if the same code, if I use it let, can I use it now here? No, because let is a block scoped variable. Let is a block scoped variables cannot be done using, cannot be accessed outside. Can I do const, ma? No, const is also block scope only. That is one logic. Second, I told here x is var, right or not? X is var. अच्छा है. Next line again I'm telling x is var. Is it necessary? Is it necessary, sir, to tell it again and again? No. But if you tell, will var give any error? Will var give any error for redeclaring, ma? No. But if you see any other programming languages, they will give errors. Same way, let also will give error. If you write one more time let declaration, na, it will tell one error. Read that error. Cannot redeclare Block scoped variable, you let or const, you cannot redeclare them. Acha hai. But can I change the value? Reassign I can do. Reassign you can do in let. Const means reassign is also not possible. Redeclare is also not possible. Which can redeclare and reassign. Now next, let is a block scoped variable. Block scoped variable which cannot redeclare redeclared but can be reassigned. It cannot be redeclared but can be reassigned. Next, const. Const is also a block scoped variable. Const is also a block scoped variable which cannot be redeclared or reassigned. It cannot be redeclared or reassigned, the block scoped variables. Now, now, Hemant, your program, you did not understand. You are not changing the person value. You are changing one of the property inside the person. You are not changing the person. You are writing inside the person some value, you are changing it. That will work. If you declare something in const, you cannot change the whole object, but you can change it inside that any property you can change it. And when we come to objects and all, I will tell you. Till now we did not discuss that, but that is possible. If I declare one variable, that variable cannot be changed if it is const. Okay. No. Is there anyone who have doubt till now? No. But sir, to understand the programming, first we need to habituate it. Slowly we'll practice it. First we'll do some small practices. Then we'll go for the main code. Is it clear, ma? Let's start here. Let's go with each and every instruction. Let me start with create a HTML file and connect to external JavaScript. Everyone do it, sir, now. I will give you step by step, everyone. First step, create a HTML file and connect to external JavaScript. Online, someone is asking Shravani, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler compiles the whole code at once. Java's interpreter will runs the line by line. Okay. Now, when it comes to the JavaScript, actually JavaScript compiles your code, but after compiling, it will again execute one by one. Compiling means converting your code to machine understandable code. When it does, it will again kind of proofreading. It will go with one kind of one. When it is going, it will give like, so it can do, JavaScript will do both compile and interpreter at a time. That's why it is called just-in-time compiled. It's called. The moment you type that line, that time only it will run. Yeah. Hemant, what is terms hoisting? We will discuss that today. Don't worry. We will discuss that in detail. We will discuss slowly. Those concepts will come. Now, everyone create an HTML file. We just started, sir. Actually, don't worry. We will discuss all concepts. Create a HTML file and connect to external JavaScript. If you are not having any laptops, you can even try online compilers, which are very good, which you can write it. Even in your mobile phones, your online compilers will come. Online, please let me know once your step 1 is over. Now, next one, sir. After this, second step, create two block scoped variables, and assign some values. Assign values. Step 3, print in console. Print in console. It's a sum. I want you to take two values like 5 and 6. The answer will be the sum is 11. If you take it two values 5 and 6, I want you to print the sum is 11 in the console. How do you create it? Two variables. How do you assign them? In JavaScript. Write it in JavaScript. Let me know once it's done, ma. Online, is it done? Now online, is it done, ma? Now let me do it myself. Everyone, let me do it. The code which I asked is, first, let's go here. Let's go here. Let's do. Let's create another folder. Practice. I know that it's easy, but try it. If something kind of difficult for you, slowly try it. Index.html, I created one file, and I'm creating another file, script.js. Index.html, I'm just clicking it here, exclamation, enter. Then I'm adding some JavaScript, script src dot slash script.js, script.js. Then after this, inside the script.js, I will write it whatever the logic I want. Let me write it here. Console.log. If you do this, what will happen, sir? If you run your code, right click, inspect. Inside the console, it will show hi. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? No. Go to the script. Instead of printing console, what is the question I gave? I told you to declare two block scoped variables. Remember, ma, you can use three ways: var, let, const. But it is always recommended to use let and const in modern programming. Var is the old and traditional way of writing the code. So in new programming, people will use let. A equals to 10, comma, B equals to 20. What is A value? What is B value? I just wanna print console.log. The sum is A plus B. Can anyone guess what it will print in console? The sum is 30, because that's what you did. Online, does anyone have any question on this code? Does anyone have any question on this? Is it clear, my everyone? Is it clear? You also tried same thing, na? Good. Now, let's extend more. Find the area of square, okay, by taking a side value. Take a side value and then find the area of square, sir, and print it. Someone asked me, sir, why to assign a symbol plus? Why did you put symbol plus before A plus B? This is very interesting point. This concept is called string concatenation. What is it called? In future, you will understand it. If I don't put this, imagine I'm writing everything in string here. Can anyone guess what will be my output? If I write it like this, can anyone guess my output, sir? The sum is A plus B. Why? Because you are writing string as a constant. Always strings are constants. You will understand it later. In strings chapter, I will tell. But if I want to print one string and one value, you will combine them. You will combine them with plus. You will combine them with plus. It will come correctly. Can we write without variable name? Now, now, if you wanted to write, someone is writing it like this. Instead of sum is, they are writing it comma. You can do like this. This one also will work. But this is not the official way to write it. See, the difference is if you put comma na, it will print separately. It will print separately. Both will print separately in the same line. Okay. But if you put plus na, now both will and everything will print in the same line. Okay. Now here complete thing is one string only. Earlier two different strings they are coming side by side. That is the only difference, sir. Except that there is no difference at all. Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts, ma? I hope no. Can you guys can try this, sir? Slowly we'll try it. Don't worry. No need to hurry, sir. You will do so many programs. We will do so many things. Slowly we will understand it. Find the area of square by taking a side value. Everyone do this program, sir. Find the area of square by taking one of the side value and print it. Sir, online total 36 people are there. I'm request 37. All the people I'm saying it. At any point you did not understand, tell me. I will repeat it for you. But everyone practice it and respond it. And mention your doubts because we are just practicing just now. Find the area of square. I just want to print area of square. Next. Is it done, ma? Is it done, everyone? Then the one. The one. Find the find the find the perimeter of rectangle, rectangle. The formula is 2 into L plus B. Unprinted. Online, someone named Shravani gave the answer for the side one, sir. Fourth one. I am writing the answer for the fourth one. This is the answer for fourth one. So the wrong in this one wrong is there. Can anyone tell me? Yes, you don't need to write two sides. The side is you can pick one side only. You can write it again. This can be done more easily than be taking two variables, unnecessary memory. Okay, but logic is right. Same way, can you try it something for perimeter? Slowly we will do, sir. First one is printing the sum. Write the area of square by take a side value. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. We will take two values, length and breadth. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, anyone questions? Offline, any questions, sir? No. Are everyone completed offline? Do it in your system, sir. Even online, do it in your systems. If anyone is not completed, try it, sir. Any doubts? No. Next one, sir. Next one. There are there are some default methods. There are some default. We are just in a introduction thing only till now. Okay. We will discuss three more things which are in introduction. Once it is done, we will go to actual concepts. Okay. I will tell you the concepts list also so that you will have a good idea. Okay. Now, someone in the online Shravani, it's right answer good. There are some default methods in JavaScript, such as mainly three main methods will be there. These are basic things. We are not using this nowadays, but once upon a time we used to use it more. First one is called alert. alert, you will give one message. Alert is used, alert is used to alert the user, to alert the user with a specific message, with a specific message. There are some default methods, sir. These default methods will run automatically. Okay, you can, these default methods are already there automatically. You need to run it now with specific message. Like you go to the program, you will say something like alert, hi. If you write this alert hi, you go there. Can you see this one alert came? Can you see this box, ma? Alert. Okay. Usually, you will see that kind of alert boxes in government websites or bank websites. Okay. Now, second one, confirm. What is the second one? Confirm. Confirm. Message. Confirm. Confirm is used to accept user's choice. User's choice to confirm the task or not. It returns true or false. It will returns to you true or false. It returns true or false. What the confirm will do, sir? Confirm will take a message and confirm is used to accept the user choice. So, for example, in government websites or something, you will do this. You will get a choice like, imagine I click delete something. Imagine when I'm delete something, I will get one thing called, are you sure to delete? Are you sure? Kind of thing you will get it. When you say it like, yes, I am sure. Correct, I'm sure. Then you will say it will delete. If you said it like no, then it will not delete. Have you ever seen this feature, sir? This kind of feature will be there in almost all the websites. Okay. Usually, especially bank and government websites. And that is done by confirm. Let's go to the confirm. Let's perform it. If I say, if I say confirm, are you sure? Then if I write this, go here, let let result equals to, and here I am just writing it console.log result. Now if you go here, refresh the page. Can you see it is asking me a question? Can you see it's asking me a question, ma? The question is, are you sure? Now if I say okay, then it will print true. Refresh it again. Are you sure? If I said cancel, it will say. So based on the user choice, whether if it is true or false, you wanna find it based on the user choice. You can use something called confirm. You can even create your own also. That is a simple thing. But still, one default thing is there, which is called confirm. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here in this? No. Third one, the most important one, mostly people use as something called prompt. Let P equals to prompt, prompt, enter a value, enter a value. Now if I go here, can you see this? Can you see how it is coming, ma? Now let's enter the value Prasad. Now where this Prasad will be stored, sir? Where is Prasad will be stored? P. I print this P. If I go here again, Prasad, refresh it. But remember this, this prompt returns string. Prompt returns, sir, if you give 30, instead of saying a 30 number, it will say 30 string. Imagine here I gave two values. First time I gave something like 3 and second time 5. If you add it, instead of giving it as 8 answer, it will give 35. Why? Because it will add it like a string side by side. Raj and Prasad, Raja Prasad, how it will be. Similarly, it will keep the elements, something mixed because they are strings. How to convert a string to number? How to convert a string to number? Any value to convert it to number or to convert into integer or something, you are like, you have to keep it something like plus before. What you will keep, ma? What you will keep? In future, we will discuss operators. That time, I will tell you what is that plus means. Okay, but plus is a unary plus. It is a unary plus operator, and which will convert any data type to number data type. Now, same thing. Enter a value. Const p equals to prompt prompt enter 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 a value. If you want to give, you can give default also. What is the default value? What is the default value, sir? And I want to convert this into normal one. I will put plus. Here, Q, enter E value. Then here, I want to print A plus B. So I will write it here, console.log. The sum is you are a full stack developer, ma. I think you can, it is not a big deal for you. Now see this one line by line. First one, what is this prompt will do? Prompt will take whatever the value you gave, but prompt will return always strings. Prompts will return always. To convert string to a number, you need to put plus before. You need to put a plus before. Then here plus prompt, enter a value, b value. Now I will go here. I will say my program is dynamic now. Refresh. Now cannot access p before initialization. Oh, because you gave default values now. Because of this, you are declaring it now only, and here are the problems. Now let's refresh it. Why it is saying it? Where did I print P? Oh, this problem is not for this. Now what is A value? Initially, what is the value there? 0. Can I change it, sir? 5. Next, B value. What I can give, sir? 10. Can anyone tell me if I click on OK now, what it will print? 15. Huh? Sorry, what is wrong? This is called bug. Simple. Any doubt, sir? Online, does anyone have any questions, any doubts online? Online, anyone have any question in this ma? If online have any questions, you can let me know, sir. Someone is asking, sir, block scoped means it will accept only in blocks. 100% correct. Good. Here I write it inside a block. Here there is no block only. Whole body is there. That's why I'm writing it aram se. In future, when we create the functions, na, I will tell you. Now, earlier you did perimeter of rectangle and square of a number. You all did na? Area of square na? Sorry, not a square of a number. You did area of square and perimeter of rectangle. Do the both programs one more time using prompt dynamic values, and instead of console.log, use alert. What you will use? Alert. Now let's refresh it. 25, 15. Why it is asking 25 again? The answer sum is 40. 25 plus 15. 2 times 100. Everyone do your code, whatever you did till now. Do your code, whatever you did till now, in the same way, sir, using prompt. Refactor your code into prompt. Online, refactor your code into the prompt, sir, using the prompt. Online, please send me the codes which you have done. Offline, also try it. Just try it, ma. You will get it very easily. Online is it done? Online is it done? All I asked you to do the square area and the perimeter area using the prompt perimeter of rectangle. Just to try it, sir, quickly. Just to try it, sir, everyone. Now, online, is it done, ma? Good. Let's discuss more. Now, next code. Now, think of a logic, sir. Everyone, think of a logic. Think of a logic. Write a JS logic. Write a JS logic to find, no, write a JS logic to swap two numbers. Write a JS logic to swap two numbers and print. You can give print in console or alert, your wish. Print in console, I'm writing it. These programs will help you, sir. Okay. Now I am asking you to swap two logics. What does it mean by swap, sir? Swap means, see, if I take A value 10, B value 20, and I will print A value after your logic, if I print A value, should be 20. If I print B value, it should be 10. If I print after swapping, if I print A value, it should be 20, and B value, it should be 10. Any guess, sir, how you will try? Anyone in the online? Online, please mention in the chat tray what you are thinking. Only few people are replying in the chats. Reminding people whether they are doing it or not, we don't know. Please mention whether you are stuck somewhere or you are feeling it back or you want me to explain. Tell me something. Okay, don't just sit idle. In online, someone named Shavani, you mentioned the code ma, but you forgot to put plus before prompt because prompt will return string. Now, how do you swap two variables is, imagine I'm taking let x equals to 10, y equals to 20, I can use one more temporary variable called z. One more temporary variable called. Did I give any value for z ma? No, there is no value. Now if I go here, console.log x comma y, then it will print x and y values, sir. Refresh it. Now it is printing 10 and 20. Very good. Now what you will do, you will take this z, you will take this z and you will write it x value in the z. X value is in the, now what is x value? 10. What is z value? 10. X value is 10, z value is also 10. Imagine if I'm writing it here, y value is equals to, sorry, x value equals to y. Now what is y value? What is x value will become? Okay, I think you guys are confused here. Okay, I will tell you one example, Ray. Dekho. I have two glasses, Ray. One glass is having milk, another glass is having water. This is glass number A, glass number B. First A number, glass name A name having milk, B is having water. I want in A water, B milk. I will take another glass. I will put this milk into this. And I will put this water into this. I will put this milk into doubt in this process. One more time. I have initially milk here and water here. And I will take another value and I will put this milk into this first. And I will take this W and keep it into this first. And then I will take it here and I will keep it here. This extra glass, now is it having anything extra glass? Because it's not needed. It's a waste. Now see this same logic. I am taking one extra one. What is the extra one name? First, I am giving Z. First, I am giving inside the Z M value, X value. देखो. First, I am giving X value to Z. X value to Z. Maybe in your milk example, milk will completely go to the Z. But in our example, here also milk will be there, here also milk will be there. Now, what is the X value, sir? 10. What is the Z value? 10 only, na? You copied it, na? Good. Next, if I do X equals to Y, it means Y value will given to X. When you say equals to, right side value will be given to left hand. Now, Y is given to X. What is Y value now? Then what the X value will become? What you are doing, sir? I am giving here also water, copying it. Now, I am giving it here next statement. Y is equals to Z. Y is equals to Z. Then what will happen? Y value will come to the Z. They got changed, na? Right or not? Y equals to Z. Programming is not only about learning syntax, it's about thinking logically. Now you do here, sir. It will print it here 21. Does anyone have any questions in this logic? Apply the same program. Try it your own, this program only. Try it on your pen and paper. But use prompt to take the input. Use prompt to take the input and change it, sir. Use prompt to take the input. Any doubts you can mention, ma. Does anyone have any doubts? I am explaining one more time the logic, sir. The logic is so simple. Here it will write Z is equals to what is X value? 10. First line Z is equals to 10. Now, what is the X original value? 10, sir. What is the Y original value? 20, sir. Now, X also becomes 10, sir. Very good. Next, X equals to, now X equals to Y. What is Y? What is Y, ma? 20. So now what the X value will become? 20 now. You changed it now. Now, last one. Y is equals to Z. Z value क्या है? बराबर. Is it any doubts anyone is having it online? If you hardly think, ma, if you hardly think, you can find new logics also. If you think nicely, you can get it new logics also to swap the numbers. This is using a third variable. You can even do without using a third variable also. Can I tell, sir? Now, think about it. Think your mind. Slowly think in your mind. A value 20, 10. What is A value? 10. B value 20. How are everyone became silent? Is it clear, ma? Or blank? Clear only. Now, देखो. A value 10. B value? A value 20 होना है. I want you to change A value to 20. B value to 10. Without using C. Without using the third variable. Any guess? A equals to B? Bad logic. You know why? If I write A equals to B, imagine I write it A equals to B. What will be the B value now? What is originally B value now? 20. So what will be the A value will become 20. Perfect, na? If I write B equals to A, if I write B equals to A, what is A value now? नहीं 20 हो गया वो. Are you all understanding my point ना? देखो if you write A equals to B equals to A, पहला तुम A वैल्यू 20 को चेंज कर दिया, तो उसके बाद A वैल्यू 20 B वैल्यू 20 है, तो नहीं होता 10. 10 नहीं है उसमें. That is actually good logic, Ray. Where did you get this? That's really nice logic. No, no, I will tell her logic. One person told this logic, and this logic is really good. See this, everyone. What is originally A value, sir? 10. What is originally A value? B value? I will write like this. A equals to A equals to A plus B. What is A plus B? What is A plus B? Then what the A value now? Doubt है? Doubt है, sir? No. I will write B equals to A minus B. A minus, what is A value now? I don't go with the 10. What is A value now? 30. A value now? Minus B value? 30 minus 20? 30 minus 20? तो B value क्या हो गया? Now, again I will write it. A equals to A minus B. A value क्या है? 30. B value क्या है? 30 minus 10. तो A value क्या हो गया? B value क्या हो गया? वही से लॉजिक without using the third variable. तो प्रोग्रामिंग है खाली दिमाग से करना. You have to solve your problem, think of more and more nice ways. Actually, there are so many ways to do this. Not only this. Any doubts? Online, any doubts? I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Think carefully. Tell me one more solution. देखो, see this carefully. Run it in your paper. Don't do in air. Okay, it will not come. Paper में करो. Check करो line by line. I want you to give me one more answer. How to swap two numbers? Something, some logic should be there. If you observe the second solution clearly, you will get the third solution. You can do it so many ways. I'm telling it just logic. Online, if anyone did not get it, please let me know, ma, so that I will repeat it for you. I hope it is clear. What? B equals to B minus A. Starting. Okay, let me try. Using extra variable or using current variables. Try it with anything. I don't mind it, but better you without using try it. Okay, someone give me one solution. Let me try it. Let me show it to you. Z is equal, Y is equals to Z value, which is 10. This is one solution. Same logic. X1, comma, Y1, 10 and 20. We wrote it X1 equals to X1 plus Y1. Next line we wrote it Y1 is equals to X1 minus Y1. And we wrote it X1 equals to X1 minus Y1. Then console.log console.log X1 comma Y1. Third solution. Yeah, you are telling something ma bolo. Let's A equals to not A. Let's take it X2 equals to 10. Y2 equals to 20. Bolo X2 Y2 bolo. Y2 equals to Y2 minus X1. X2. बराबर? Okay. X2 equals to X2 plus Y2. Mm-hmm. Okay. चेक करो अभी चेक करो. Your logic is working if you are using 10 and 20. But अभी देखो. Now, someone is thinking just B minus A, Y2 minus X2. Now, if you do this, 20 minus 8, what it will become? 12 क्यों आ गया? That is wrong, na? See, in earlier example, 10, 20, difference is also 10. That is why you guys are easily saying it B minus A. No, what if the values are like this? Take it something strange value, sir. Now देखो, A value 5 होना है, B value 8 होना है. अभी think online, some people are thinking I'm happy with it. Remaining people, try करो, try करना more and more. Today's class is about understanding and making these things logical. So that tomorrow onwards we will understand more and more basics. Sir, y2 plus 3. 3. Okay, y3. Oh, you mean like difference? Because 5 and 8 are different for 3. What if they change numbers, sir? Here numbers are constants. Numbers will be given by dynamically. User will give any number. Someone named Anu, x equals to 30, y1 equals to 10, x1 equals to 20, y2 equals to 10, x2 equals to 38. I didn't understand your question only. Any other, someone named Hemant gave an answer like /2. That is a very problem. Why? Because you don't know, you just made it /2. Why? Because it is 20 and 10. If it is any other numbers, your solution should work for all numbers. You are thinking 10 and 20 only it should work. No. Who will give these values? User will give. Right or not? Someone who sees your website, imagine you create a calculator and you said it like my calculator will work only if you give 2 and 3. Wrong na? People who are using calculator will enter anything. Should give the answer. तो वो कैसा करना है ऐसा? Think. I will give you a hint. I will give you a hint. I am using in this solution plus and minus because plus and minus are opposites. Plus will cancel the minus, minus will cancel the plus. In mathematics, you have another two symbols also. In mathematics, in another two symbols are also there. Similar to that, those symbols are asterisk and slash. Multiply and division are also opposite. Think about it. Now, Shravani gives a logic with third variable. We did that, Shravani. Already we did the same thing, third variable. We did the same solution on top. I wanted something new. You did the same thing. Instead of Z2, we did it same solution. Supriya answer is actually kind of logical. Okay, kind of okay. No, I did not understand your answer. Like how you did that. You just gave me values directly. If you only take that, what is the point? I didn't understand. Did anyone got it, ma? B equals to A into B. Very good. You got it. High. Finally, Ray. Someone get it. It's 2 asterisk Y2. A into B. Bolo. X equals to Y2 divided. Barabar. Perfect. That's it. Y2 equals to. This is exactly right. It will give the answer. X2 value is what? 8. Y2 value? 5. Can we do this? Y2 equals to X2 is 8, Y2 is 5. 8 into 5. For into you will use this asterisk symbol. What is 8 5 sir? What is Y2 value now? What is Y2 value now? Barabar. Then Y2 is equals to Y2 divided by X2. What is X2? 40 by 8. 40 by 8. तो 5 हो जाता. दिमाग से करना है. That's why I gave the hint. तो इधर देखो sorry. Y2 equals to Y value 40 divided by 5, which is equals to 8. And it works for all numbers. Mantamarella, I think there will be some syntactical errors. What does it mean by B equals to A in the brackets? Any other solutions online? Can online provide any other solutions? Some people wrote the answers, but I didn't understand them, else it could be good. Actually, there is one concept called arrays. Arrays will directly swap the elements. If you have A comma B in arrays, you can directly swap them. Okay. But we are not using any arrays. That is a different case. In JavaScript, we have some concept of arrays. At that time, we can try it. Hemant, yeah, exact solution we wrote it Hemant. Good. So there are so many solutions for this. You guys try it at home, and today, same like the swapping, same like the swapping. You can try some logical question. Mhm. No, swap only. We didn't have any other logic similar because we did not discuss anything much. We discussed only basics. Swapping number, swapping number in any another way. We discussed three ways in the class. One is using third variable. Second one is without using third variable, using plus minus. Third one is she told without using third variable, asterisk and slash. I want you to bring it any fourth way. There are thousands of ways possible actually. Okay, use your own resources and bring it. Tomorrow we'll start with that and we'll discuss something more and more. If time is there, put your time for logical building. You have to think of logic first. Is this clear ma online today's? Online today, everyone clear? Online, I hope everyone is clear today. Yeah, that's it for today ma. Thank you all. Thank you.